compared. In the moment, we take flight. Art ignites the darkest night. Story of life on the screen. Every image feels so keen. And journey bound with every hue. In the art we find anew. Art takes us on a ride, painting skies open wide. Through the lines, dreams we find, colors dancing in our mind.
Stepping out, the city lights ignite. Rhythms calling, painting dreams in neon light. Brushstrokes of color across the urban sky. Every heart beats a masterpiece. Watch the magic amplify. Let the bass take you higher. Funky pulse like a painter's fire. In this moment we're alive, sketching a story under vibrant skies. Come on, move, move, feel the electric groove. Poppin' funk in every move. Let the rhythm lift you, let your spirit shine. In this dance of art and life, we're one tonight. Come on, move, feel the electric groove. Poppin' funk in every move. Let the rhythm lift you, let your spirit shine. In this dance of art and life, we're one tonight. Flash of hues, bodies in a vivid display. Every note a splash on a canvas, come what may. Funky guitar strums like a brush on fresh white. We're crafting our destiny, illuminated by the light. Turn it up, let the magic flow. Feel that pulse, let the colors glow. In the groove we're painting dreams high under a starry gallery of the endless sky. Come on, move, move, ride the electric groove. Poppin' funk in every move. Let the rhythm lift you, let your worries unwind. In this artful dance of life, our souls are intertwined. Oh, 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 let the art speak, feel the vibe. We're electric canvases coming alive. Spin the palette, watch the colors collide. In this funky dance, our imaginations glide. Come on, move, move, catch the electric groove. Pop and funk, our masterpiece to prove. Let your heart shine, let your creativity unwind. In this endless